How to fix Snapchat device banned. In order to unban your device on Snapchat, first thing you have to do is open up your Snapchat application and see if you can log into any other account. It will make sure that if the whole app is banned on your device or only an account is banned. So once you have deducted that, you need to head over to any web browser you have. And on your browser, you can just search for Snapchat support, help.snapchat.com. Just directly enter the URL. Now click on I can't access my account. Then from here, click on my account is locked, or if you think your device is banned, you could choose my account is compromised. Now from I can't access my account, click on my account is locked on this drop down, and you can see if you wanna learn more about why this might have happened, you can click on these links to know more why this was happened. And if you think the article was helpful, click on yes, otherwise tap on no, and then click on submit by selecting any one of those. Now scroll all the way to the bottom here, click on show more, and you could browse through other articles here as well. What I'm going to do now is click on I think my account is compromised, and you will be directly taken to a submit request. So you can enter your username, enter email, phone number that's connected to your account, and briefly explain that you have done nothing wrong and your device ban was a mistake. Then you can appeal it with the Snapchat help and support team. They'll contact you back within a few days, and you should be able to get back to your account. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.